time. Got the time. Da 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 da, you know.
Oh,
Hello? Hello? Hello, says me.
okay, move over there. Okay, when you go, I'm gonna. When you get to 1, 3,
Oh
2,
my god.
1, go.
Hello? What is going on? What's going on? What's going on? What? Yo, yo, yo. Yo. Yo, yo, yo. Yo. Oh my god. Yo.
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 Do this. Come on, do this. I do.
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, chicka ba ba bum. Boom, chicka ba da bum. Boom, chicka ba da bum. Dun, 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 da da dun. Dun, da da da. Dun, dun, da 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 da. Hello? Yeah. Mm. Hello? 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 Yes.
Sorry, guys.
Boom, you're crazy. You're crazy. You're crazy. Here we go. 6 o'clock. Right on the dot. Let's see. That's indecisive as fuck already. Going for a 40 tick scalp. So that's weird. I'm short. Going 40 ticks, 40 ticks, 40 ticks shorts, 40 ticks shorts, 40 ticks shorts. Come on. Give me my 40 ticks. ATM worked right? Yeah, it's 40. Yes, 40. 46. There it goes. Come on. Might see an actual big drop here. Maybe, possibly. In a 40 tick scalp short. In a 40 tick scalp short. Here we go. Come on. You know, the open at 6 used to be fast, and the recently it's just been slowing down. It has something to do with this war shit. Really starting to think the markets are being affected by it. Okay, we're on a midline on this guy right here. Dropping, 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 dropping. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. This is a rejection right there of the zone, probably. I'm going to go break even on this against my better judgment because it's probably going to get hit, but I'm not going to lose any money. Come on. It's just a little $200 trade. They can just give us $200, right? Just give me $200, Asia. It'll be okay. I promise. Just give it to me. Let me have my $200. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Go right there at, what is that, 244,150, and this wick is a good spot, so 44,1. Maybe it'll drop, and we'll watch our levels here on the right. Everything's looking good except Asia. Trying to just get lucky on this right here. You got a little volume ledge right here, so it's probably gonna do what it's been doing all day in New York today. Smack your break even and then go immediately in the direction you were trying to go. That's kind of what today has been like for me, anyways. Yeah. Yep. 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 Did we get lucky? Holy shish kebabbers. Think about moving my take profit all the way down here at the low. Is nope. See? Fucking Asians. These fucking Asians, man. They don't ever can't do anything without being swept. Cannot do it. Let's see if it's just going to reject the zone or not. We'll get into another entry here. We've got some big liquidity zones here. This has been swiped. This has been swiped. It's all been swiped. This has been swiped. It's been swiped all the way down to here. So let me look at this other chart up here. Yeah. 3-minute candle is like super indecisive right here. And what do I do with my drink? It's gone. This is painful. Mm. Mm. Now, if there's no way, if this is a retracement, it's only going this high. No way. It's getting squeezed. So we got our 45 here and we got our 45 here. This has been swiped to the midline, kind of. Okay, so that's telling me that we still want to go down here. Just gonna have to. So let's put a VWAP on these over here. Let's see what happens. Get one over here too. Extreme low right there. Yeah, this could be going down. Going down all the way. So we'll draw a zone here. Let's see what it does off that zone. We just got a double bottom here. The rejection. It's very interesting right here. Look at that rejection of the zone here. You catch these entries right at Asia, you can ride this thing till morning, all night. I've done it. Yeah. All right, so we're looking for cross down now. But we were already pretty much at the bottom. More than likely, we're going bullish. But it rejected the midline on this too. So right here, rejected and shot down. Could go bullish. Could just range all day, all night. Just gonna close like that. It's consolidating underneath. Nothing really to trade off of. Okay, we're breaking back up here. Maybe a crossover of the zone, that would be awesome. If that does happen, I'm going for the high up here. So 43.50 be my take profit. That was my take profit on my last trade of US session too, and it barely missed it. I ended up closing right here, but it did push all the way up to it, and it just missed it. It's so annoying. If we go short, give me this VWAP here, 390.50. Which we're having a class on at 8 o'clock. VWAPs. This is consolidating already. This is crazy. Just like the 13 minutes in, we're still in this consolidation. Usually it just launches out of here. Starting to think we're shorting again. Yeah, I'm getting ready to trigger a short. Just want to see it come below this midline. Immediate rejection. See why I waited? I didn't want to just shove it down. These are all like mini supply and demand trades, like supply, rejection, demand, push back up. Then it's supply and the demand push back up. Look at supply, well, same thing. Like they're just repeating little micro fucking cycles all over again, over and over and over again. It looks like to me. I'm gonna go ahead and buy this right here. If it crosses over our zone as a blue, I'm gonna get in it. Then I'm gonna target the high, 483. Yes, yes, yes. Come on, give us a freaking trickling along. Trickling. There we go. Give us a little bit to work off of here. There we go. That's what we want right there. So we are going to. Is he even going to give us a chance to buy? Holy shit. Okay, I'm buying. Because, you know. And 483. Right there is my take profit. And stop loss is going to sit right where it is for now. See how it works out. I guess we're going to have to wait another hour for it to move from here. Let me find the. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. This is painful. Daniel. This is painful as fuck, dude. Just sitting here watching this shit. And then it'll just jump up one fucking 50 tick candle, right? Like it did here. Look at 28 tick candle. And then it'll range and it'll jump another 20 ticks. Range, jump another 20 ticks. Oh. There's no reason. I don't know why. Because you're doing stupid shit. You're entering on your own and you're not fucking closing when it's the wrong way. That's why. I'm telling I know what. Yeah, you gotta fucking close the trades, bro. And if you're wrong, you need to get out. You don't hold a losing trade ever for any reason whatsoever. Everybody's going to lose trades. Everybody. I don't care how good they are. They're going to lose trades. You have to know when to close the losing trade. And when you notice it's losing, just get the fuck out of it. There's no hope. There's no faith. There's no God that's going to bring it back. Just close the trade. Close it in loss. Just do it. Practice closing in loss. Well, you got to do it, man. It's the hardest thing to do in this shit is to close a losing trade. It is. Because you're like, oh, what if it comes back? It doesn't matter. The chance of it not coming back is fucking worse than what if it comes back. Like, ugh. Gotta close the trade. Gotta close the losing trades fast. I'll just let this run and go watch TV while this fucking does whatever it's gonna do. Win or lose, fuck it. The only thing that's scaring me is this VWAP here. Like, is it gonna come down and sweep the VWAP and then go back up? You know what I mean? Let's see what that looks like. Oh, well, if it does that one, I'm fine with that. But I'm talking about from the low. I've got one set from the low right here. This low at 419. Yeah, see, we're already coming up to overbought area and we haven't even moved. Like what? What? Only in Asia. I need to make t-shirts that say short the longs. I swear to God, I need to do it and sell it. Short the longs. That looks like an order block. Yeah. I got a cousin in Cape Coral that's not evacuating. Just right by Fort Myers. I'm like, hey, they're saying like 12-foot surges there. I mean, like, go ahead, stay. Well, it's going to be north of us. I'm like, the storm is as big as the Gulf of fucking Mexico. What do you mean north of you? It's going to be on top of you no matter what. Well, we're only expecting 70 gusts. And if the storm shifts 50 miles fucking south, what are the gusts going to be then? 180? Like, like they don't predict these landfalls to the fucking like millimeter. I mean, it's a generalized area. You know what I mean? Until it's right on you, you don't know. They're like, well, in Irma, we evacuated and ran out of gas in Ocala. We couldn't get out, so we're not leaving. Okay. Well, I hope it all works out for you. I don't know. For what? You needed to buy a power fucking cell and solar panels for it is what you needed to get. The thing would power the whole house. I'm talking about some new shit that just came out that I might replace mine with, and it's like uh it's a portable power unit that you can um hook up to your panels or up to your goddamn your breaker box. But it's also got its own shit where you can just be portable with it. But you can plug solar panels into it. You can plug in portable solar panels. Like you can buy them and they just unfold and you go out there and stick them on the fucking ground when you need them. Yeah, it's like about 6 to 8 grand will do what $80,000 did for me on my house. Swear to God. I think Anchor builds it. Hold on, I'm gonna look it up right now. I think it's Anchor. Yeah, the Anchor Solix, whatever. So the main unit is $2,500, and then $1,200 for the fucking for the extension batteries, and then you can get you can get what is it, 6,000 watts of solar panels for another $2,000 or something like that. Dude, that's I've got more solar panels, but the battery and the brain and all that shit like was half the cost. Like, and this is like 10%. I'm like, what? And it pushes out just as much power as my Generac shit does. Fucking great, and it's portable. So yeah, like 25. Well, and it's powered by the fucking, you can just have it grid charged too. Here, I'm sending you it right now. $2,500 just for the brain and the main battery. Okay, now see, this is where they fucking do the fuckboy shit. See this fuckboy shit right here? This is called fuckboy shit. They're fuckboys. That's what Asia is. That's why they have the highest population of fucking trannies in the world, is they're fuckboys. Run the view up. Okay, it's not even moving. What is this doing? It's just sitting in one spot. Like, it's gonna go down, consolidate, go up, consolidate, and then it's gonna go down and consolidate again. Really? That's what I thought, bitch. Get the fuck back up there. Yeah. Move your ass to the top. Go to the high. That's all you got to do. That's it. That's all we got to do. That's it. There you go. Is this going to be the 50 tick fucking breakout up now? I don't understand how they do that, man. It's just like, boom. Look at between these two candles, 37 ticks. Ting ting. Boom 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 boom. It's magic. Da, 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 da. Well, we're bullish, and it came down and crossed up, so that's the rules. This is a good entry. We just need, but that one candle was so massive. Holy shit! I should have waited for the little bit of a pullback. But then if you wait, then it doesn't pull back, and it just launches, and you're like, fuck, you know. So it's like you're damned if you do, damned if you don't. But you got to make some money. So, yeah. I want to experiment. If someone wants to help me experiment with this, divergences before the zones. RSI divergences before the zones. If there's a divergence before the zone, to tell you, to give you kind of a heads up, which direction is it going from breaking out of the zone? I got divergence right here. I forgot I even knew about this thing right here. Why isn't it showing anything? The hell? There it goes. Okay. So let's check. No divergence. Okay. Oh, there's a divergence before bullish divergence right before the zone. It happens right after the zone's created. Oh man. Oh man. You just never know what's going to happen. Bearish divergence at this zone. That's telling you we're going bearish. Oh man. You never know. Bearish divergence when this zone happens, so you know to drop when it drops. Oh my God. Bearish divergence on this zone. Bearish divergence before this zone. Oh, dude. We might have found a way to know which way to go. But there's a bearish divergence on this zone right here, and it just broke the top. But Asia doesn't count because they do everything backwards. So if it's a bearish divergence, buy. If it's a bullish divergence, sell. Yeah. Well, this is actually just got shut the fuck down, so it might actually drop. That's scary. You know what I'm saying? I might end up closing this. RSI plus. There we go. Okay, so ooh, that is nice. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that is very nice. I'm trying to find the conditions for the bot to be better. You know what I'm saying? Oh, that is telling you right there that it's going up. That is really nice. Trying to find conditions that confluence bot. This one goes up and rises, but it never. Let's try 15 seconds on the RSI divergence thing. I wonder if there's like I know there's a MACD divergence or a. Here we go. Kernel optimized flux charts. The fuck is that? Okay, puts little things on there. All right, so 15 seconds. Oh, yes. Okay, here's a zone created, divergence at the zone. And then, okay, where's another zone? I want just give me zones. This one didn't give a divergence. It didn't do nothing, but yeah, see, no, that isn't. Oh, yeah, look, divergence right before it drops. So with the divergences in the zones, it's giving you more confirmation. So what I can do is I can add in divergences into the indicator, and when there's a divergence, what about 5 minutes? I wonder if that shows it better. Right here, bullish divergence right before this zone. We're still bullish. There's a bearish divergence. It drops right here. No, I see that isn't very good. They were in profit, by the way. 2 whole ticks. Woo hoo hoo. 4 ticks. Well, we might have got the direction right. That's good, because then it'll come all the way up to here. And how many ticks is that? That's $500-600 trade right there. Just one contract. It's pretty good for Asia, man. I ain't complaining. I'm not complaining about the Asia. I don't know about that. But what other kind of divergences are there? Let's do this right here. Let's see. MFI divergences. That is money flow index. So I like money flow index. Those are good. That's a good, strong indicator. It's this divergence right here does tell you bearish right before that thing. This does say bullish right before the breakout. Man, this does say, I don't know. Money flow index is a good indicator. It is pretty strong. See if there's any well-known guys in here. God mode RSI with money flow index. Okay, so this is where we're probably gonna get. What is this doing here? We got a lot going on. Of course. Why wouldn't it come down? You know? No. What? Oh yeah. That looks like it's gonna go be up. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, I've been thinking about using Heiken Ashies as the entries. I have thought about it. To help aid in the discovery. I'm trying to figure out what the fuck this thing is right here. What's this thing? Go to a higher time frame. Just it's definitely it's like a MACD slash. It says God mode on it, so we're bearish. Okay, yeah, bearish. Flips to bullish. Okay, bullish. Okay. Now let's try 15. Sure. Okay, we're bearish. Yeah. Bearish. What are all these fucking lines there? Oh, it's using money flow index oversold and overbought zones. So it's okay. I don't need this though. You know? No, I didn't do shit for me. My range candles, though, those are my favorite for my influence thing, and they're bullish as fuck right now. They're actually blue. 20 tick is blue, and my global institutional footprints is blue. And pushing and structure is showing a break of structure, cup and handle, whatever you call it. You won't even call it anything like that. Yeah. We're probably on the right side of things right now. Probably pretty good. Pretty good. Just gonna do what Asia does. Fuck with your brain. My dogs, dude, they're going crazy right now. What the fuck is wrong with the dogs? I don't know what that is about. I don't want that. Yeah, we're over the zone now. Over the zone. And there's the fuckboy shit, dude. Literally break the zone and then it just drops. Mm-hmm. 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 I wonder if yeah, so that is showing you. So yeah, I love this thing, dude. It's my favorite indicator ever. This right here. It is my favorite. Except for mine. The first light beacon. That's my favorite. This is my second favorite indicator ever made. The standardized MACD with the Heikin-Ashi candles. So it's just showing you the crossovers and the flipping from bullish to bearish. I just love it. I love it so much. I use a lot of my like it does candle coloring and there's a lot of things that I like. Back into profits. Oh, I spoke too soon. Holy shit. Go to the top. 483, please. Yes, 483. Boom. 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 Won't. Creativate's fucking up and won't pull up my performance for the day. I'm clicking it, you know? But it's just like locking up. Yeah, that annex thing is the shit. So you double. So the battery is like 1,200, I think. So 25.99 gets you the 6,000 watt, 3,840 watt hours. Brain and all the shit, right? You can get an expansion battery for $37.99, so just $1,200 more, which gives you another. It doubles the storage. And then you can get the home backup kit. So you get the thing plus the panel or whatever that you need for $29.99. Which is basically the control and like an automatic transfer switch and all that shit, right? And there's like 40 grand for that from mine. So this is totally way better. Here's a portable cooler, a battery powered cooler. It looks like for $500. What? Yeah, I know. I had one too. I got rid of it because I thought about it myself. I'm like, if there's something really that bad, you're not getting this. So, dude, this is a battery operated refrigerator cooler. What? That Anchor has now. You can run off. It's got a battery. You can charge it or run solar panels to it. That's pretty slick. That's pretty slick. They're coming out with some cool shit, man. I can't get into my fucking. Oh, hell yeah. So I'm trying to transition. This is my daily right here. Boo, 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 boo. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Trade's going. Come on. I think so too. Yeah. The 1 minute? Oh, okay. No, I'm talking about the zone. I'm gonna. I'm talking about you create a 1 minute zone and just use the midline and look at the crosses. Yeah, you should look at that. Report back what you think. 1 minute thing and then just turn off everything except the midline on it so it looks like a moving average. Yeah, that's pretty it's pretty crazy, dude. I'm not gonna lie, man. Like, I've made a lot of money off of it today. I wasn't even trading candles earlier today. I was trading that. And I did like $1,400 in fucking one contract trades. With no candles on my screen. Everything but the midline. Yeah, this looks like it's about to explode up. As it fucking drops 10 ticks, right? It's fucking short the longs! Short the longs! Like everything in the world, every indicator, every piece of price action, everything. You'll be below the 200, above the 100, moving it. Everything will be long, and all of a sudden, bam, shorts. That's how they gain liquidity to get into positions, is they don't have enough banks there, so they use that kind of shit. So if you ever want to trade Asia, you got to think about that. Is that is their way of generating liquidity to push price around so they can make money. Because if the price doesn't move, there's no money to be made. Here's an indecisive Ikeneshi right here. Look at that. Boom. Boom. Perfect indecisive candle. And look, price stalls. It's not even moving. I guess. A little bit. Yep. And let's see what so my range candles are still bullish. Just gonna have to be patient. That's all. Patience, patience, patience. Or we just get it wrong and lose money. Whatever happens, happens. Boom. Oh, look at that. Look at that, man. I love it. I want it. I don't think so. What's this? Oh, I can't eat these. Brussels sprouts, yeah. What are you doing, man? Are you murdering someone in your house? Okay. I don't want to be a part of that. Oh, yeah, okay, sure. I hate Asia. Why do we do this? Why do we trade this? Why do we do this? Oh my god. Should have just scalped that short and been out of it. Immediate breakout. Should have just scalped it and done. Oh, sweet. Finally. Finally. Yeah. Finally. Asia is, it trends so good, but you just have to have so much patience because it's overnight. You know, like I think the number one trader on Top Step trades Asia. Yeah, but when it runs, it runs. They can get 1,000 tick moves easy, but trying to find it takes everything you got mentally. $9 o'clock. I won't even waste your time until 9. Yeah. Later. Well, I'm holding this long. Boundless. I'm holding it to the 483 up there. I ain't gonna mess with it. Unless it comes slamming down. There we go. Now we're starting to break out. Oh yeah. Come on. Get up there. Mm-hmm. Let's turn on the daily opening range here. Yeah, we're above it. See that? Right there. See opening range right there. First 30 minutes. We are above it. We are in good spot. Every now and then they say, haha, and they drop it below it. But normally, once they get above or below it, that's it. And you can usually run a trade to the next daily opening range above you or below you. Where is one at? Way down there. It'd be nice if they shorted. That'd be an awesome move. But where is price? Oh, it's never been this high. Oh yeah, we're all-time highs. Yeah, try trading all-time highs. Oh my god, this has been a nightmare. Mm-hmm. I've literally looked at the DOR, got into a trade, targeted the next DOR, and went to sleep. No, good shit. Wow. See, MACD is bullish, RSI is bullish. Everything in the world is bullish right now, and that price just dropped. That tells you manipulation right now from Asia because they're trying to hunt liquidity to fuel the push. I should add in on every dip. It's the McDonald's guy. What's up, man? Just invited you to talk and speak. McDonald's guy. I hate McDonald's. We're eating beef tips right now. Good. Hi, McDonald's guy. What's up, dude? Trying to keep my head together during this age of bullshit. There you go. Yes, sir. Nah, you're good. All right, buddy. Have fun. You too, man. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Asia playing all the games. 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 Yeah, yeah. Asia. Asia playing all the games. Click like, guys. If you're watching the stream, click the like button. It helps. It helps a lot. It helps. It helps so much. It helps so much if you click the like button. I always heard people that do YouTubes say, please click the like button. You don't even have to fucking subscribe. Just click the like button. And now I understand why. Because if you don't click the like button and you do like it, no one else will see it. If this is helpful for you, it will be helpful for someone else. And they'll never see it because you didn't click the like button. Yep. I think we got on the right side of Asia here. But it's just, doing Asia things. And being a pain in the ass. I don't want to go break even yet. I want to see another structure built above this one before I go break even. I feel like they'll just come swipe me. My take profit is sitting at 483, which is a good, I don't know, 500 ticks or something like that. Let's see here. Let's see about, no, 134 ticks. I don't know. I think 500. Although I have gotten ticks, some 500 plus trades during Asia before. Doing this right here. Those are nice. I like those days. Here we go. Might actually get some new structure built. After this one, get a little push up. That'll be good. Boom, 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 boom. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Let's go. There you go. Like that. Like that. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Oh. Turn off all this other stuff here we don't need anymore. DOR, turn it off. That's the daily opening range. Oh yeah. Okay. Well, I convinced that this is going in the direction I want it to go. That's good. The reason I'm using one contract is this is a challenge account. I've got a self challenge going on. It's combined to payout and using the first light beacon indicator. And I'm documenting the whole thing from passing the combine in one day to today being the first day funded. I am up, what am I up? Let's see here, reports. Here we go. We'll go to transition. Not including the trade you're looking at right now. I'm up, I got a win rate today of 77%. I'm up 1338 for the day. Plus my open PLNL right now is 140. So, and if you're not familiar, Top Step has a scaling plan, so you can't max out positions when you first get the account funded. That's where I'm at right now with this one. However, it is being copy traded to my other accounts. That I will not show. But these, here we go. This is the Asia trade. I'm pretty sure it's going to go up to the high at 483. And we're going to find out. So, but yeah, that's the challenge, is the evaluation to a payout using the first light beacon indicator. And I passed the account in one day. You can see that report under the posts for the YouTube page, the post, the pictures. There's a picture over there of making the $3,000 in one day. And how I did that was I did 1,500 during US session, and then I did 1,500 during Asia session. So one day, 2 sessions, then you can pass a Top Step account like that. Doing it just like that. So how do you find Top Step's leaderboard? I don't trade ORA. I trade for Asia. I use the DOR, which is the daily opening range, which I use the 30-minute, first 30 minutes, so 6 p.m. to 6:30 to find the daily opening range. And I'm not going to argue about it because I've pulled 1,500 tick trades out of that multiple times. And then my first initial, my opening range, which I have an indicator for, and I'll turn it on for you right now, that I built, is this New York opening range. And it is the TPO levels of the, I want to say the 801 candle. And it is extremely accurate. This is it right here. And I make a lot of good trades off of that zone right there. But yes, I'm familiar with opening range and everything else. I'm a range break trader. But I have my own methods and my own research. I don't follow any. Oh shit! I about closed that. Oh, that sucked. I don't follow anybody else's methodology or anybody else's bullcrap. I've spent years developing my own, and it works. Especially this zone right here. Took years to develop the formula, and I keep winning trades with it. Top Steps leaderboard though. Let me try to find it because I'm not on there. I know I'm not on there. Leaderboard. Where is it? I'm trying to find it. Because someone said they're on it. Maybe you have to be logged in to see it. Let me log in and look. Let's see. Community. There's a Facebook community. I'm not part of that. I don't really like to mingle with them peoples. Nothing wrong with them. I just don't. Let's see. That's a really good question. I don't know. Let me. Where is the Top Step leader board? And I don't know why everybody thinks that New York is the bee's knees for everything, because New York, the candle doesn't even open in New York session, the daily candle. It opens at 6 p.m. The Top Step leaderboard is accessible through the Top Step app. Top Step is a financial technology. There you go. Got to get the Top Step app. You can see the leaderboard. I don't understand why they do that, but let's see if we can see it right here. Nope. Okay. On X, they keep posting screenshots of it, but they don't. So look at this. What is going on with this crap right here? We're dropping like it ain't going up. Really? Really? You're gonna come test the VWAP? Oh my lord, look at this, man. This is crazy. Okay then. Yeah, so you're about to see me lose to Asia. Broke the zone. Wicked it. Let's see. Are you going back up, or are you just deciding to go short now? That's definitely coming down. Maybe. Back to the leadership. No, that's coming down. To where we shall never know. Hold on, let me manage this trade. Look at what's going on here. They just grabbed all these lows. Just wicked this zone. That just came out of nowhere. We have a 2441. Where are you at? Right here. That is the top of the consolidation for 4125. Most consolidations are pivot points, so we might be still fine. We might be good. They're just doing a grab. We'll find out here in a second if it breaks back over this anchored view up here. Yeah, there's an opening range. There's a London opening range. There's a New York opening range. There's a daily opening range. There's an opening range at noon. There's one at 3 a.m., 6 a.m., 9 a.m., 3 p.m., 6 p.m., 9 p.m. There's ranges for all of it. But to give some kind of daily metric, I look at the first 30 minutes of the daily candle and then create a zone around it, and you'll a lot of times you'll see price break out of that in Asia and go straight to the next previous zone, whether if it's up then the one above it or if it's down below it. And I have traded a lot of trades during Asia just waiting for that to happen, break out of that zone and then target the next one and win. Sometimes it ranges and doesn't go, and then it will go during New York session. New York's volume will push it, but yeah. And then the New York zone that I use is 8 because that's really when people actually really open. 9:30, 9 o'clock is just the bank. That's when the stock exchange opens. But obviously, we're trading something that's 24 hours. Yeah, I think I'm getting screwed on this trade here. Yeah, 100%. Just gonna start dropping. And I'm just gonna close it, and I don't fuck, man. This looks like it could just be a pullback. If you want it completely live, you can pay the fee to join the Hunters Club, and you can have it live. Because there's people in our Discord channel right now watching this and talking and streaming and seeing it live. There's a 10-minute delay so that you don't get free signals, Gabriel. And if that's what you're after, go somewhere else. Okay. I open it up 100% live. I did it all day this morning, and I had fucking trade after trade after trade after trade after win after win after win after win, and some losses too. This morning, and it was completely live. It was not delayed at all whatsoever. And just to shut your mouth, because you'll be like, well, whatever, I don't believe you, blah, blah. You won't go watch the stream. I know that. Heaven forbid you actually have to do something. But here's the report from today. Today, the 10-9, 77% win, 1492 gross. Okay, so yeah. Stop trying to get shit for free, dude. My range candles are starting to go bullish again. I think that was just a pull, but we're going to find out. 100% find out. It's just been the pull. Yeah, there's no movement. No movement. Yeah, pit traders don't have 80, 90% win rates either, though. Right? I do. Must be doing something right. I can't say all of them. Yeah, Larry Williams and shit, they're all good, but No, something's telling me just to close this and short this fucker. Yeah, something's telling me just to close this and short it. When do we get our new zone? Right now. Okay, let's see what this is going to do. I take Nate more seriously the fact that he even knows what a profit expectancy is. See, this is how the zone works. I mean, that's how I trade it. If you watch any of the videos that I made, is when it creates and they get a crossover showing market structure. So it's doing this, and doing that. And then once you get the break of it with the candle color change, you enter. And that's how simple I made it. Like I was trading all last week on my mobile phone. So if you look over here, your zone is created, comes down, goes up a little bit, comes down again, and then breaks out up. There's your market structure. And then here's another break out of the zone again after it grabbed liquidity all over again. So those are two trades right there. One's a scalp, one's a hold. It usually happens like that. The first scalp, then the second hold. But see, look, breaks out, comes up a little, breaks, and then breaks out. Color change over the zone. And that's your entry. But Asia's a little wonky. We all know that. There's a lot of grabs and a lot of sweeps because they don't have the volume to push price like we do. So they're constantly sweeping areas or points of interest. But yes, profit expectancy. As long as it's positive, you're good. You'll make money. Your profit expectancy is required to be profitable. And that's the thing with with most newbie, or not, I wouldn't even say newbie, I would just say newer traders, is they don't understand profit expectancy. And they get into a strategy that's really actually a winning strategy. And they lose a couple trades or they go on a losing streak and they change everything up. But they're still in a winning strategy. You're losing some trades and it happens. What they do is they change it and they change and they change and they constantly seek something different because they think that it doesn't work. And they never develop any type of profit expectancy. And that's what's required to be profitable trading is some profit expectancy. The same way casinos operate, like the roulette table, right? You have people placing on the colors or the numbers and they're winning and someone's always winning. Well, how do they make money? They're, instead of just bleeding money all the time, well, they have an edge. They have the zeros. If you land on a zero, they win automatically. So that little edge gives them a profit expectancy of whatever the number is. So no matter what happens, they're going to make money. Yeah, NQ, I know. It's the only thing I trade, man, is NQ. I know it pretty well. I understand it. Hopefully this stays bullish. We have our cross, but this could be going bearish because if you look at market structure, we have a new candle created, which basically this zone right here is a 45-minute candle. That's what this zone is a 45-minute candle. So we're able to trade on a smaller time frame inside of the candle. So like if you look at this right here, this right down right here and then back up, this section right here is the wick of the 45-minute candle. This section right here. This will be better to use. This right here is the wick of the 45-minute candle. And this is the body of it going up. And then here is the top of it up here when a new one's created. So that's how it works, is it actually finds the support and resistance of the 45-minute candle or whatever time frame you choose. It's in the options. I use a 2 hour and a 45 to find bias. So if my 2 hours under my 45, I'm bullish. If it's above, I'm bearish. And then I look for the crosses of the candle creation. So you're trading liquidity injections. So when new candles are forming, that's when liquidity is being pushed most times. And then you get your market structure, which is, you know, down right here, up, and then down, and then up. And then, but that is the wick right here of the 45. And then if you turn on, I have the 2 hour on there. Why don't I see it? I have it all turned off. But you can change the settings here for intraday. So for range breaks, you turn it on intraday and you set to 10 to 10:30 zone, and it creates a zone for you to trade off of at the range break of US session. It works perfectly. I use it all the time. And then I go to scalping mode, and you have all these time frames you can set and alerts, and then sort of labels, whatever color, all this stuff you want to be colored, and change all these colors around all you want, the buy line, the sell line, the mid line. And it will give you a place to trade off of when the new candles are created. Works really well. If you watch any of my reversal trades, I catch the bottoms all the way to the top. London trendy, yes. So Asia starts it, London finishes it, US fucks it. That's how I look at it. Asia starts it, London finish it, US fucks it. That's how I look at the trends. And sometimes we get lucky in the US and it actually gives us a good trend. So here's like a 3 minute example of what I'm talking about. So we'll go to US time zone real quick. Regular candles, not I can actually. And we'll go to, so here is 3 minute candles, right? So here's our 45-minute creation. What you do is you wait for the market structure, and you can enter on this busting through, you can enter on that candle there, and then you put your stop loss at the zone, and then you target your 2 to 1, 3 to 1s, whatever you want to target. Usually I'm targeting the highs or whatever, but I use the 15-second candles because you can get inside of these zones a lot faster, and the candle colors show you the bullish momentum. So basically this comes down, down, up, down. So you have some market structure. You're going to draw down on this one, but your stop loss goes at the zone, right? And if you look, it doesn't get stopped out. And then I'm targeting highs or right here. Like that's a good one right there. Where is it? 329.25. There's you a trade. And that's a 2 to 1. And as long as you adhere to the zones for your stop losses, 9 times you're pretty good. And I just got stopped. So Asia is fucking me. So are we going bearish? Or are we just going to range? Let's just delete everything. There's my 2 hour zone right there, the red. So we've swapped underneath it. See this breakthrough, new zone created underneath it? More than likely going bearish from here out. So, or this is just a big grab. Or a big retrace. Or they're doing some kind of fib bullshit or whatever. Who knows? Who knows with them guys, man? Who knows? Hmm. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a zone off of here, right there, right, and I'm gonna set an alert because I think they're gonna come to it. And that's right at the 6-2 almost. Set an alert right here. Make sure we get it noticed. Yeah. Yeah, but I like to I like to scalp. So my main scalp is 40 ticks, 5 contracts. So I just go for $1,000 scalps. And ES doesn't give me what to do that. And to do those scalps, I literally look for stuff like this right here. So I look for the market structure, I look for the crossovers, and then I wait for like a wick off the zone here, and then I'll buy in on the blue candle, and then I just go 40 ticks, and there you go. There's $1,000 right there. I do it all the time. If you look on the streams Monday, I did a recap. I think I got 3 or 4 of those throughout the day. Just doing that, just like that. Here's another one right here that you could have held. You could leave runners, but I just drop down, comes up, goes blue, get a little bit of wick, boom. I'll buy that one right there, and I'll just go 40 ticks, 5 contracts, stop losses at the zone right there like that, and the win rate is through the fucking roof. I don't even know what it is. I've never actually went and just back tested it and just got all the data, and but I will tell you this, that I turned this into a back testable strategy, and I've started turning it into bot, and the results were pretty freaking good. So this is from May to now. So we ended up getting, with 1 contract positions, $230,000 with only 5,800 drawdown, and that would have won any prop firm because the cumulative profit, it was way through the roof before the drawdown ever got anywhere near that high, and that's using the first light beacon as the source for getting into trades and whatnot. So there's some tweaking I'm going to do to it, try and get that drawdown a little better, but it's not been forward tested or anything yet, but it will be. And man, look at this dude. He's serious. Just broke out to the upside. After it stopped me out, got this lows here. I'm gonna need to see a break and retest of this right here before I go into it again. Yeah, it just grabbed this zone. Okay, so it's breaking it. Let's see. Oh yeah, I'm starting to really like that. So let's look at everything else here. Got our crossover over here. We got our ranges are bullish. Everything's bullish. I'm buying that. And I'm going right back to 483. And my stop loss is going at the zone. And let's try one more time. If I get stopped this time, I'm done. Just need a good... The leadership board is kind of like hidden. Where is it? I don't understand. Why is it so hard to find it? That was a nice rejection of it right there. %. Nice rejection. Come on. Keep going uppy up. Oh my God. Asia. Why? Why Asia? What happened? I have a workshop I have to do in 8 minutes on VWAPs. So I'm going to have to kill the live stream to be able to do that. And I'm in this trade. So what the fuck to do? I don't know. What do I do now?